Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool for you. Have an old black and white photo lying around. I'll show you how to bring it to life in full color in just a few clicks using a free online tool called ImageColorizer. Let's jump in and colorize a photo together. First, go to the website ImageColorizer.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Click on the Upload Photo button right in the middle of the screen. Select your black and white image from your computer. I'm going to use this old portrait as an example. Once uploaded, click on the Start or Colorize button. Now, let the AI do its magic. It usually takes a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see the result, and wow, it looks pretty realistic. Click Download to save the colorized image to your device. And that's it. That's how you can colorize your black and white photos in just a couple of clicks using ImageColorizer. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments which photo you colorized. I'd love to check it out.